Hey, what's up, everyone? Today's the 18th of January, 2024. We're going to talk about Max Keiser today and how he thinks Solana is going to implode or plummet around about 80%. You guys can see from the Daily Huddle that this article came out on January the 5th. So apparently this is when Max came through and said that Solana is going to do a rug pull, fall about 80% and sink to like 20 bucks. Is that possible? And if so, how soon will it happen? Because when you talk about an implosion, you talk about it's going to happen swift and quick without no hesitation. Like it's going to happen without no advance warning. Max Keiser thinks Ethereum rival Solana is primed to implode. The outspoken crypto pundit, not necessarily a crypto pundit, he's more or less like a Bitcoin pundit. This man loves Bitcoin to the core. Everything else is a shit coin to him. He only values Bitcoin. And he predicts that Solana will crash down to 20 bucks, a more than 80% drop from its current price point. So that was on January the 5th. SOL shitcoin aholics will 1. Lose 100% purchasing power versus Bitcoin. 2. Get rug pulled a few times. 3. Time the market with serial losing trades that add up to net losses. We will pray for you, children. Keiser and his wife, Stacey Herbert, both work as senior advisors to El Salvador's National Bitcoin Office. Yeah, they moved to El Salvador because that particular government has embraced Bitcoin as a currency. They value Bitcoin. They utilize Bitcoin there within their economy. So they both went down to El Salvador, and now apparently they are advisors for the National Bitcoin Office. Earlier this week, the pseudonymous trader known as altcoin Serpa predicted that Solana could soon decline to a price between the Fibonacci retracement levels of $84.50 and $71.67. Where is it at right now? $98.85. So both of those individuals, Max Keiser and altcoin Serpa, is looking for a price to go down. And this is what altcoin Serpa has written. In theory, this should probably go up given all the liquidity that was collected. That said, I still think this one needs a bit of time to cool off. Wouldn't be surprised to see this come down to the lower levels like the $70, $80 range. What do you guys think about these two takes about Solana? Max Keiser thinks it's going to get rug pulled a couple of times. Think it's going to fall 80%. You have altcoin Serpa here letting his followers know that he think price could rest between $70 and $80. And here is our price prediction. And Solana, we're looking for price to go down too. So all three of us is looking for Solana to dip in price. Are we right? Are we still accurate in that presumption? Now, Max Keiser thinks it's going to happen quick, but I will say that myself and altcoin Serpa do not think that. I still suspect that price is leaning more towards the weaker side, but I don't think it's going to plummet, crash, rug pull, nothing like that. Because there's a lot of people who find value in Solana. Now, where will the ultimate be in the grand scheme of things at the very end of this? Who knows? But we'll look at this chart to see if the weakness is still here. Okay. So now, here it is on the 2-day chart. One of the reasons why I say that price of Solana doesn't look like it's in a hurry to crash or go lower in price is because there's a lot of demand being built up right around this area here. Okay, the buyers have maintained the price. Every time price dips in Solana, they found it at a discount. They find it valuable and they want to buy it at lower levels. That's why price hasn't fallen so far in Solana. And also you can see off of the trend line that price is still trading for the most part above it. So the trend is still intact to see Solana go up. Here it is on the 3-day chart real quick. And again, the same particular type of notion on the 2-day time frame. Buyers are here buying up the cryptocurrency. What can you say? And we talked about the buy zone right here in this range between $85 and $89. So we're not necessarily surprised to see price still holding support here, because we knew that there was a chance that the buyers could continue to buy there, and that is exactly what they've been doing. Here it is on the 5. Okay, take a look at Solana on the weekly time frame. Now, I do see some more weakness. I can see a higher chance of seeing price go lower in Solana on the longer term chart because of this weekly bar, this one, and this one. It looked like the market is going to take a while before it actually tries to go lower. So I don't want people to get complacent and think that, you know, the weakness is gone. No, it's definitely still there, specifically on the longer term charts. Okay, so here it is on the 3 weekly chart. We have 3 more days and 13 hours. You guys can see that the volume has increased over the past 3 weeks right here. Okay, and depending how we close in the next 3 days and 12 hours in Solana on this 3 weekly bar, if we close down at the bottom, then yeah, we may need to come down to our lower second buy zone or third buy zone in the market. So just be prepared for that. So let me look at this on the 330-minute chart. So yeah, nothing really has changed since we did our last price prediction either, which was on the 10th of January. I still see the market being weak. The only thing that has occurred into the market in Solana is just the mere fact that price is consolidating. Now, one thing I want to show you here on the 330-minute chart, you guys can see that price hasn't broken through this sell zone up here. It hasn't broken through this sell zone. So we can actually create another sell zone in Solana on the 330-minute chart right there. And the market still couldn't even break above that sell zone. Take a look. So you can see that the buyers are attempting to move this price up, but it continues to get rejected at these sell zones. And it just continues to build, like this market is building upon these sell zones, which tells you that the pressure is on the sell side. The selling pressure is heavier than it is right now on the buying pressure. The market buyers will have to break through these sell zones for us to really become more bullish. Okay, so I'm just going to show you all that there. Let me look at this on the hourly chart real quick. Yeah, I'm not too ecstatic. I'm not too excited to see this market in Solana to go up even right now. So I think I'm going to have to continue to go forward with my analysis. That price is still leaning more towards the weak side and not the buy side. So let me tell you this. Okay, we already saw the market in Solana hit our buy zone right here, right? So let's say on this weakness that we're currently seeing into the market in Solana again comes down to this buy zone and it holds support again, then we may need to take the prediction off and move for the exception that price is ready to go up. We might have to do that then. But if those buyers don't hold in the buy zone the second time, then our next target will be in line, which is down here around 80. Okay, so that is it. Quick update. What do you guys think? Is Max, altcoin Serpa, myself, are we accurate in our analysis of looking for Solana to go lower, or are we incorrect? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.